Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, one and only authentic original, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, phony websites, or jagoffs. And today, this is Mega Ultra Super Burgh unboxing, as we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh God, 7. That it? 7 and one giant box over there. Items to go through. So let's go through them one at a time. All right, here we go. Let's see what this is. And mind you, they're falling on the floor like crazy, and I don't have my scissors. So I don't know what's in these things, except for 1 or 2 items. I know what's in the big box, I think. And they gave me my own bin, which I had to drag home. So that's how much stuff I had. They didn't even stop to check my mail, because I went, oh my God, how am I going to get this stuff home? I stopped and fed Tiny and Talkie and Squeakies. All right, they're fine. Okay, here we have something from Wyverks.com in Miami, Florida. Now, I don't remember what this is, if it's a gift or something I bought or what. Lots of bubble wrap. You could have fun popping this all day. Okay, let's see what's in here. This is a piece of paper. Oh, okay. I know what this is. No wonder I didn't recognize it because I couldn't see it. All right, this is screws. When I took apart the hated MV tainted laptop, I misplaced the screws. So this is for the eMachine D528. This is the screw kit. This cost me $4.32 to go screwy. So there's the screw kit. So that's that one. And this comes straight from Miami. I wish I could go to Miami one day. I had friends who lived in Miami. Eugene Burgh, among others. All right, that's it for this one. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. It is icy cold here in Martinez. Even though the sun's out, it's very cold. And most of the people are wearing sweaters today. And earlier, the windows of the cars were covered in ice, and that doesn't happen very often in Martinez. This is Pittsburgh weather here, and I don't mean Pittsburgh, California. I mean my Steelers. All right, be safe, people, and I'll be back with another video. Bye-bye.